Hi everybody, this is George again with the next short video about A-Dorian. Please support my channel by writing a little comment and giving me the thumbs up. In Dorian, there is a half step between second and third note, so between A and C is a minor third, which makes Dorian a minor sound. The second half step is between the sixth and the seventh note, so F sharp is the major sixth, which creates the special Dorian sound. Sounds brilliant and majestic, doesn't it? Here's another little exercise to get the scale in your fingers and the sound in your ears. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.